Hello and welcome to RHZ Tutorials. Today I'm going to be bringing you a Minecraft tutorial, different from our previous videos, but yeah. And it's going to be Minecraft Bedrock Edition commands, how to create custom crafting. So, just to start off, you're going to want to enable coordinates. So to do that, do /game rule show coordinates true. Now in the top left corner, you can see it shows your coordinates. Next thing you're going to want to do is grab a dropper and maybe some form of block. And this dropper, you're going to want to place it in your crafting area. So I'm just going to do this really quick. And then I'm going to put my dropper, and it has to be facing upwards, by the way. Now that we have this dropper, do not name it unless you're going to name the dropper and keep it that name. Anyway, now that we have this dropper, we want to do /give address command_block. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and place down this command block. And you're going to want to place this in a hidden spot. So over here is where I'm going to put it. Then you're going to want to change this command block to repeat, unconditional, always active. By doing this, you're then going to make this command block always doing its command repeatedly over and over and over. Next thing you want to do is make this an always active conditional chain. The chain part means that it's going to go off whenever the repeat command block goes off. The conditional part means whenever the repeat command block has a true output. And the always active just means that it works, because chain always has to be always active. Now that we have that, you're going to want to put inside this first command block test4 blocks. Make sure it's blocks and not test4 block. Those are two entirely separate commands. Then you're going to want to put squiggly lines. These squiggly lines are called tildes, and I'm probably going to refer to them as tildes because that's what I normally refer to them to. Anyway, you're going to want to put two tildes, then the number 1, then a tilde, just like what I'm doing. Then you're going to want to repeat that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. But now you need a third coordinate. That third coordinate is going to be the coordinate of this command, or not command block, dropper. So this dropper, see where it says 0, 6, 0? Well, my y-axis, I'm on top of it, so it's actually 0, 5, 0. So go ahead and do the same thing that I did. Then you're going to want to put that coordinate that you have over in this command block. So 0, 5, 0. Now, you might want to turn on previous output, but that's fine if you don't. Then put the dropper on top. Then in this next part, you're going to want to put clone tilde tilde 1 tilde 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 1 tilde, and then whatever the coordinates you got of the dropper were. Now that you have that, you then want to put dropper up on top of this, and they all have to be facing upwards. Oh yeah, and your dropper may over here delete, just place it back. And now you're going to want to start setting up your first custom crafting recipe. See this? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make my first custom crafting recipe just be a door and wood. An iron door. Oh wait, I need more wood. An iron door surrounded in wood and dark oak wood is going to make a regular dark oak door. Now, this is not what you have to put in there. You can put whatever you want for your first custom crafting recipe, but this is the repeat command block is the recipe, and the chain command block is the output. Now, if I go over here, oh, I need an iron door. Then I put in one iron door, and then I surround that one iron door in that. Boom, look, it actually works. Now, you're probably going to want more than just one custom crafting recipe, because most people do. And there's two ways of doing this. If you have a keyboard and you have pick block set up, you can do the easier way. So just press Control on your keyboard, then press Pick Block on both of these command blocks. Then you can place them down, and they should have everything inside of them. But most people don't have that. So you're going to want to do /clone or use a structure block. I am going to use a structure block because those are easier to explain. But if you know how to use /clone, then be my guest. Go ahead. I'm going to place it right here. Now, structure blocks are a little bit weird, but you want to place it under, make the Y offset 1. Okay, hello. Sorry about what just happened earlier. I don't know, I had to go do something, and then, like, the clips are gonna probably be weird, and there's gonna be this weird cut. But where were we? Oh yeah, the structure block. So you're gonna wanna put the Y offset to 1. That's basically offsetting it 1 on the Y value, making it go 1 block up. Now you're going to want this box to encompass all of these, so whichever way you put it is the way that, like, whichever spot you put it is going to be the way that you want to do it. That's just going to make it easier for me to explain. Now, for the X value, you can look and see red is X, blue is Z, and green is Y. So, if the part of it that's only 1 block is red, then, like mine, then you're going to want to make X1. But if the part that's only 1 block, oh wait, not X offset, you want to make the X size 1. Now, if it's blue, that means that it's Z, and you're going to want to make Z 1. But the side with 2 for me is blue, which means that it's Z, so I'm going to make Z size 2. Now, Y needs to be size 2 also. Now that you have this little box type thing around your machine. So then you want to go into save mode if you're not already. Save. Type in the name of it. So I'm going to type in commands. Then you're going to want to click save. Now, go over somewhere, change it to load mode, and then type in commands. Capitals do matter, by the way. Then whenever I load it, it's going to be a little bit in the ground because the offset, but I have the command blocks and stuff, and I can make a new recipe. This works with as many recipes as you want, but warning, if you make a billion recipes, you're going to get some lag most likely.